Sing and learn through songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best. Sing and learn through songs.
This is a world filled up with sound.
Listen closely, friends gather around.
Let us discover the wonders inside.
The ear that gives us hearing with pride.
When we turn our heads or walk along,
Who keeps us steady, safe and strong.
hearing and balance, gifts so rare.
Wonderful gifts our ears prepare.
Oh ear, you are sound's dear friend.
You turn vibrations into nerve impulses and send them to the brain.
When the fluid in the semicircular canals moves, a vestibular message travels through.
The cerebellum coordinates the muscles and
Keeps the body balanced too. Here comes a wonderful first question. What are the main parts of the ear? Outer ear, middle ear, inner ear, 3 parts appear. Inner auditory canal and tympanum together form the outer ear.
ear ossicles and eustachian canal are found within the middle ear.
Trachea, vestibule, semicircular canals and nerves are in the inner ear. Now here comes another question. What are the auditory ossicles?
What is their main function?
Malleus, incus, stapes.
3 tiny little bones.
They pass the tympanum's vibrations from one small bone to another.
Through the stapes to the oval window, they carry them into the inner ear.
Get ready for the third question.
What is the cochlea?
What is the function of the organ of Corti?
Curled like the shell of a tiny snail.
The cochlea lies in the inner ear.
When vibrations travel through its fluid,
The hair cells in the organ of Corti
become stimulated, form nerve impulses.
Let's start the journey of hearing here. Can you answer the fourth question?
What is the pathway through which sound becomes hearing?
Sound waves first reach the pinna.
Then move through the auditory canal.
The tympanum's vibrations travel through ossicles and reach the oval window.
When the fluid inside the cochlea moves,
The hair cells form nerve impulses,
the auditory nerve carries them to the brain.
and sound becomes hearing at last. Pinna, canal, tympanum,
Ossicles,
oval window,
cochlea,
organ of Corti.
auditory nerve to the brain.
Vibrations become nerve impulses.
And the brain identifies the sound.
When the ear and brain work together.
The experience of hearing is found.
Now here comes another question. What is the function of the eustachian canal?
It is the tube that connects the middle ear to the pharynx.
It balances the air pressure.
On both sides of the tympanum.
During a flight, the ears may feel blocked because of a difference in pressure.
When the eustachian canal opens,
The air pressure becomes equal again.
what is the vestibular system?
What are its main parts? It is the inner ear system.
That helps maintain body balance.
3 semicircular canals
Vestibule, utricle, and saccule, along with the hair cells inside them.
help identify body movements,
The canals detect rotational movement,
while utricle and saccule detect
linear movement and changes.
in the position of the body. The 7th question.
The 7th question.
How does the body maintain its balance?
When the head turns under lymph fluid, inside the canals begins to move.
The hair cells become stimulated.
And form nerve impulses too.
Utricle and saccule detect position changes and send the messages along.
Through the vestibular nerve to the cerebellum, which coordinates the muscles strong.
It organizes the body's posture.
And keeps us balanced without a fall.
Semicircular canals detect rotation.
Utricle and saccule detect motion.
When the vestibular nerve sends the message.
The cerebellum starts its action.
When all the muscles work together.
The body stands upright and tall.
The tiny receptors inside the ear
Keep our balance through it all.
And now here comes the final question.
How can we protect our ears?
Avoid listening to very loud sounds for a long and harmful time.
When using headphones or earphones, keep the volume low and fine.
Never put a pin, stick, or cotton bud deep inside the ear.
If there is pain or hearing loss,
Pus or fluid discharge appears.
do not try to treat it yourself.
See a doctor.
See a doctor!
to the brain.
We have learned the hearing path.
Hair cells inside the cochlea
Create the nerve impulses.
when the auditory nerve reaches the brain.
The sensation of hearing begins.
The vestibular system sends its messages.
The cerebellum protects our balance.
Let us always care for our ears.
And stay away from very loud sounds.
Let us sing and learn through songs.
And memorize the secrets of hearing.
Dear children, through today's learning song, we understood the structure of the ear, the pathway of hearing, the vestibular system, body balance, and the protection of the ear in a very simple way. Now, let us recall once again the 8 questions and answers we learned through the song. In the same sequence, first question, what are the main parts of the ear? Answer. The ear has 3 main parts, the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The pinna, auditory canal, and tympanum together form the outer ear. The ear ossicles and eustachian canal are included in the middle ear. The cochlea, vestibule, semicircular canals, and nerves are included in the inner ear. Second question, what are the auditory ossicles? What is their main function? Answer, malleus, incus, and stapes are the 3 auditory ossicles. They transmit the vibrations produced in the tympanum from one bone to another. Through the stapes, the vibrations reach the oval window and are then transmitted to the inner ear. Third question, what is the cochlea? What is the function of the organ of Corti? Answer, the cochlea is the coiled part of the inner ear that resembles a snail shell. When vibrations occur in the fluid inside the cochlea, the hair cells in the organ of Corti are stimulated. They convert the vibrations into nerve impulses and begin the journey of hearing. Fourth question, what is the pathway through which sound becomes hearing? Answer. Sound waves first reach the pinna. They travel through the auditory canal and produce vibrations in the tympanum. These vibrations reach the oval window through the ossicles. The fluid inside the cochlea then moves, stimulating the hair cells and producing nerve impulses. When the auditory nerve carries these impulses to the brain, sound is experienced as hearing. That pathway is pinna, auditory canal, tympanum, ossicles, oval window, cochlea, organ of Corti, auditory nerve, and brain. Fifth question, what is the function of the eustachian canal? Answer. The eustachian canal is the tube that connects the middle ear to the pharynx. Its main function is to equalize the air pressure on both sides of the tympanum. The blocked sensation in the ear during air travel is caused by a difference in air pressure. When the eustachian canal opens, the air pressure becomes equal again. Sixth question, what is the vestibular system? What are its main parts? Answer. The vestibular system is the inner ear system that helps maintain body balance. Its main parts are the 3 semicircular canals, vestibule, utricle, saccule, and the hair cells present in them. The semicircular canals detect rotational movements. The utricle and saccule help detect linear movements and changes in the position of the body. Seventh question, how is body balance maintained? Answer, when the head turns, the endolymph fluid inside the semicircular canals moves. This fluid movement stimulates the hair cells and produces nerve impulses. The utricle and saccule detect changes in the position of the body and send messages. These messages reach the cerebellum through the vestibular nerve. The cerebellum coordinates muscular activity, adjusts the posture of the body, and helps maintain balance without falling. Eighth question, how can we protect our ears? Answer, we should avoid listening to very loud sounds for long periods. When using headphones or earphones, we should keep the volume low. Objects such as pins, sticks, and cotton buds should never be inserted into the ear. If there is ear pain, hearing loss, pus, or fluid discharge, we should not attempt self-treatment. We should consult a doctor. Thus, through today's learning song, we understood the 3 parts of the ear: the auditory ossicles, the cochlea, the organ of Corti, the hearing pathway, the Eustachian canal, the vestibular system, body balance, and ear protection. And one more small thing, subscribe to this channel to receive the upcoming learning songs easily. Those who wish to learn through songs like this should join the Paadi Padikkam family immediately. Learning important subjects such as biology, chemistry, and physics through songs will help you understand concepts more easily and face examinations with greater confidence. Those who are interested in becoming members may send a WhatsApp message to 90610322271. Type your name, your preferred language, and PMS in the message. The membership link will be sent back to you. With that, today's Paadi Padikkam. Let us learn through songs. Learning journey comes to an end. We will meet again in the next learning song. Thank you. Namaste. I am your own Ivan from Paadi Padikkam.
Sing and learn through songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best. Sing and learn through songs.
പാടി പഠിക്കാം,
പാട്ടിലൂടെ പഠിക്കാം,
കളിച്ചും പാടിയും
ഈസിയായി പഠിക്കാം,
കണ്ടും കേട്ടും മറക്കാതിരിക്കാൻ പഠിക്കാം.
അറിവിൻ പൂക്കൾ മനസ്സിൽ വിരിയട്ടെ, ഒന്നാമനായി നമുക്ക് മുന്നേറാം. പാടി പഠിക്കാം, പാട്ടിലൂടെ പഠിക്കാം.